Ashibebe. So Urashimoni, or your former, I think, Adenta MP, right? Or standing Adenta, no, you're Adenta MP, I'm not too sure. But we're Greater Accra Regional Chairman of the NDC. Anadani, yes, one is Singaporean be. I your friend to Young Kang, say to Young Kang. I mean to me, Mudinam, or no Singaporean, I can so more year, Yakuya say 1 year, ultimate. Now Singaporean no, according to sources. Yes, you already assess Singaporean and the car be $3 million. And then once Mbama, Waman Crofua coaches Singaporean, no, I will not deny ye, Wamu kidnapping no genie phone to be no my general. And some so while Singaporean didn't a court, so there is a leaked WhatsApp chat. Then if a leaked WhatsApp chat in the brand new one of the things that interest me. So this is a leaked WhatsApp chat between Urashimo. Over number now what top no Urashimo number. And a more chat in here. But it's not even about say obia abuse obia now abuse. I know the constitution and article 33 I make provisions for anybody regardless of whether you're a citizen or when you're a citizen to seek redress. So if the Singaporean believes that the fundamental human rights have been infringed upon, I believe so clearly, say me go under Article 33 and seek for redress through the courts. So I'm not worried about that. But what worried me, a Singaporean say, Otria $1.5 million the ma Ashimo say on fanko your friend say on support the NDC campaign. I'm saying so NDC campaign or much Jessica free foreigners but the people do not even know that it is against our laws. Precisely. So, the laws have in prohibition. The laws clearly prohibit say obi a wanya Ghana ni ebe yi ni sika and they are supporting campaign. Push it. Now if there is evidence say Singaporean ne ma ashimo sika so onfama NDC and NDC jeya yanko read article section 22 really 23 really 24 really 25 really of the Political Parties Act that is fatu on your radio. You been reading from a year 23-1, near about 24, near about 25. Let's look at what the Political Parties Act of 2000, Act 574. Already a year section 23 was a contribution by citizens. To the word no. Only a citizen of Ghana, only. Emphasize on the only. So the operative word there is only. Only a citizen may contribute in cash. You know, or say only a citizen may contribute in cash or in kind to the funds of a political party. It won't Ghanaian. You have no business sponsor, and it's against the law. Exactly. So for a Singaporean to say that or the 1.5 million Ashimo, say on fund sponsor NDC campaign. Are you serious? Are you serious? Yeah. Now already two now, or say a firm, partnership, enterprise, owned by a citizen or a company registered under the laws of the Republic, at least 75% of whose capital is owned by a citizen is for the purpose of this act a citizen. So the entire kind say, you were a year persons, that is human beings, and you were a year can say or more Friday example, non-persons entity which can come before the law. So your company, or for me company, in the eyes of the law, company no su nipa. It is will be a company. Now say you sue no you sue nipa na company there you sue company no. The only time that you pierce the veil of incorporation now the because is when there is an establishment that there is fraud, perceived fraud, then you move away from the veil of incorporation and go to the one more year company na kasa. Nemu say yes idea. So mrana say a firm, partnership, enterprise owned by a citizen or a company registered under the laws of the Republic, at least 75% of whose capital is owned by a citizen is for the purpose of this act a citizen. It is just will be at me could be a company or no bet me a sponsor. Now then if I make code 24 section 24 near radio, no contribution by non-citizens. Yes. So emrane ma se citizens enko ano anko betimi agya ne saa but emrane person we emphasize say non-citizens there yempa musika afa yen read 24 dani
read it.
24 no
Educate.
or say a non-citizen shall not, and anytime the word shall is used, it is mandatory.
Precisely.
There is no ambiguity.
Exactly.
It won't mean and modify no. So it's not may, it's not will. Or say a non-citizen shall not directly or indirectly make a contribution or a donation or loan, whether in cash or in kind, to the funds held by or for the benefit of political party, and the political party or person acting for or on behalf of the political party shall not demand or accept contribution, donation or loan from a non-citizen. It is Ashimo. Eko koje Singaporean be 1.5 million. At the sponsor NDC campaign. It is in total breach of this law.
Precisely.
But as usual, as a nation, we don't care.
Never.
As a nation, nobody cares.
Never.
As usual, let's treat it business as usual. Now, young contraventions of 23 and 24. Where a person contravenes, you can contravene. That means a one yet the Mrane cano. Now we have before which is in contravention and then the boy bra. Or say where a person contravenes a provision of section 23 and 24, in addition to any other penalty imposed under this act, the amount, whether in cash or in kind, paid in contravention of this section shall be forfeited to the republic. It's 1.5 million who try you know. And Marane say as more the public you know. Yeah, the Ghana. And the amount shall be recovered from the political party as a debt owed to the public. It yebusa attorney general. Or no ye prefer or be prosecutor or government. Yebusa attorney general say Marane the dahono. So 1.5 million back with Jabriana. Already say the political party or person in whose custody the amount is for the time being held shall pay it to the public. Or say a non-citizen found guilty of contravention of a provision of section 24 shall be deemed to be a prohibited immigrant and be liable for deportation under the Immigration Act 2000, that is Act 573. It non-citizen be arbitria a yama see Nigeria for ya no trade scam political parties. We yes ani a chiwa. Esi a deportable Yamana make eka. Political Parties Act under Act 573, which is Immigration Act. Yen deportable Yamana meka. And she for Jejuma. Your mama reset and reset you. Sections 23 and 24 do not preclude. When the law says preclude, a new free. Also, sections 23 and 24 do not preclude the government of any other country. So it's not even non-citizens. Say a bimbi, our country, whether Kenya, whether South Africa, now all Tamsika, or a non-governmental organization. See, as a non-governmental organization, Biaba, name Briska, from providing assistance in cash or in kind to a year commission for use by a year commission for the collective benefit of a year registered political parties. So in short, akosia when you Ghana ni o company in Ghana die won't mean support ye. You know why? Because drug cartels will take over our nation. And that is what we are seeing. So the law wants to prohibit people who want to support political party campaigns for the purposes of some use to do things untoward. It's in the only ashimo business ben a woman tem. And to sponsor $1.5 million. And then our brush more ye greater Accra regional chairman. Fire. It dear interest non-citizen in the war. That is why they say the law wants to prohibit that.
Exactly. So
but the research then can we?
Ghana.
Ghana. Research then can we?